In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your Wix plan. Whether you're looking to expand your website's features or need additional resources, moving to a different plan can be an essential step in managing your site effectively. Let's walk through the process together, making it as smooth and straightforward as possible. First, you'll need to navigate to the Wix.com login page. This is where you'll sign into your account, so make sure you're ready with your email and password. If you've set up two-factor authentication for your account, ensure you have your mobile device nearby to complete that step. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll be presented with your account dashboard. Next, you'll want to look for the Account Settings area. It's generally located in the top right corner under your profile picture or avatar. Clicking on it will open a menu, and from here, you'll see a variety of options that relate to your public profile, security settings, and importantly, billing information. Within these settings, find and click on the Premium Subscriptions option. This section houses all the details of your current plan and is where you'll find the plans available for an upgrade. This area gives you a comprehensive view of the different subscription choices you can consider. Depending on the nature of your site, you'll see various options like premium or studio plans, and here's where it's important to identify what will best suit your needs. After you've determined which plan aligns with your goals and resources, simply click Select under your chosen plan. Wix makes it easy to understand what each plan offers by listing the features and benefits, so take a moment to review those. There's typically a comparison chart that helps, especially if you're deciding between a couple of options. Now that you've chosen a plan, the next step is to decide on your billing cycle. Wix usually offers several payment period options, from monthly to yearly, sometimes even offering discounts for longer commitments. Make your selection and then click on the Continue to Checkout button. At this point, it's time to enter your payment details. Ensure you fill out this information carefully to prevent any issues with processing. Wix accepts a variety of payment methods, making it convenient for you to complete your purchase in a way that works best for you. Once all the details look correct, go ahead and click Submit Purchase. Double-checking your information before finalizing is always a good idea, as it prevents mistakes and ensures that the transition to your new plan is seamless. Congratulations! You've successfully upgraded your Wix plan. With your new plan, you're now equipped to take full advantage of the enhanced features and resources available to you. This will help you better manage your growing needs as you continue to develop and enrich your website.